The station master called ahead. Clear the lines, it's a runaway train. Signals were changed and points were switched. Thomas had never been so excited. Thomas flew by James and rocketed past Henry and raced by Percy. They were amazed. Bertie was excited when he saw Thomas flying down the track. Want a race, Thomas? Beat Bertie? Never mind. No one had ever seen an engine go so fast. Gordon had no idea that Thomas was racing along the main line. I am the fastest, said Gordon proudly. Hi, Gordon. Bye, Gordon. Gordon could not believe what he had seen. At last, the jet engine ran out of fuel, and Thomas was back under his own power. He steamed gently back into Knapford Station. Sorry for overtaking you back there, Gordon. Overtake me? I didn't notice, Gordon huffed. You didn't notice the fastest engine on the island, said Henry. Yes, I am the fastest, puffed Thomas. Percy felt a little sorry for Gordon. Gordon doesn't have to go as fast as a jet engine. He's a steam engine. But he's still full of hot air, whistled James, and Gordon wheeshed away.